Proportion Air is a very cutting edge and innovative company in the pressure control and flow control area. They, in an area that has developed to have some commodity products in that pressure control area, they've really gotten innovative to keep relevant and keep on the edge. I'm Chris Howell. My company is Techmaster Incorporated in Menominee Falls, Wisconsin. The most recent applications that we've run into that are fairly in their wheelhouse would be steam control applications. So Proportion Air has a very unique way of controlling temperature for clean in place systems in the food industry. Proportion Air also does a very good job of controlling web tension in the converting industry. And we've done some other things where, for example, we're controlling slowdowns of railroad cars with their air brakes in a controlled fashion in a rail yard. So, I mean, those are a lot of different things, but I think that Proportion Air lends itself to lots of different solutions. Proportion Air had worked with us on a piece of medical equipment that has turned into a large customer because of Proportion Air figuring out how to do a very difficult application at a very high pressure with extremely low flow with CO2 and expanding CO2 has particular difficulties because it makes things cryogenically cold. So they were able to overcome all of those things and make a viable product that's been incredibly reliable. Yes, I recommend Proportion Air quite often when I especially to my sales staff. I try to get them to focus on the fact that they are problem solvers and they're not me too. There's too much of the things that you go out to try to enter the market with that someone else has already done. And those are difficult sales situations that are difficult to hold on to business. So I would tell people that Proportion Air is a really good way to go if you want to be innovative and you want to be rock solid.